Want to lose weight without stress, hunger, or strict diets? Just follow these simple habits. Be honest with yourself. Ask yourself why you struggle to lose weight. Track your habits and answer truthfully. Eat less gradually. Ein Viertel to ein Fünftel aneten. Your stomach will adjust, and you'll feel full with less food. Plan your meals. Know what you'll eat for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Avoid random, high-calorie snacks. Balance your food. Breakfast with fats, lunch with protein, dinner with vegetables and lean protein. Keep daily calories decreasing through the day. Drink water. Keep a bottle or warm water flask. Thirst often feels like hunger. Sip water before eating. Sleep well. Lack of sleep makes you crave sugary carbs. Get 6 to 8 hours, ideally sleeping before midnight. Avoid late-night snacks. Eat dinner on time before 6 to 7 p.m. Brush your teeth after dinner to stop late cravings. Walk 20 to 30 minutes to reduce stress and appetite. Tip: watch this video twice daily to train your subconscious. Gradually apply these habits and watch results. Outro: don't forget to like, comment, and follow for more easy fat loss tips.